Okay, and now we are making a nut burger. We have two versions of burgers here. One is a nut burger. The nut burger is made with 40% nuts and 60% vegetables, which makes it very light to digest. And then we have also a mushroom burger. It's not a burger with mushrooms, but the burger is made with mushrooms. And it's about 60% mushrooms and 40% vegetables. So we have two versions. I'm making right now the original nut burger. We have a cornbread. It's a cornbread, it's a crackers type style bread, which is made with almonds, flax seeds, and corn. It's also dehydrated in dehydrators, which I will show you afterwards. And on this cracker, they look pretty hard right now. They will soften a little bit up when we put all the ingredients on top of it. And that's kind of a bread that we make. There are other ones out there. But it's hard to actually copy a real raw bread. The same way we will do here, we put almond cream on it. Then we add a little bit greens. Greens are always good. I will come back to that as well. And try to glue it a little bit to the cream. Then we put the nice burger on it. And now we put our teasing pesto on it again. Then we will put a little bit pickles on it. These are European pickles. They taste excellent. And then tomatoes that we sliced before very thin. I like everything thinly sliced because the flavor comes out much better. And then we put some zucchinis on it. And then we have also caramelized onions. Caramelized onions are made with caramelized with dates practically. They are sliced into slices and then caramelized with a date paste and also dehydrated. So we add this also a little bit to the burger and then fold everything together. How you gonna eat that now? It's not my problem. We just make it and you eat it. And for nice decoration, put a nice tomato on top of it, and that's it. And that is your burger.